Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play Angels Among Us on guitar. We'll start by mastering the 4 essential open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These chords form the backbone of the entire song. Pay close attention to your finger placement to ensure each note rings out clearly. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, aiming for a consistent rhythm. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and preparing for the next sections. Next, let's dive into the strumming pattern, which is key to capturing the song's feel. The primary pattern for the verses and chorus is a simple yet effective down, down, up, down, up. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Aim for a steady tempo of around 72 beats per minute, which gives the song its gentle, flowing rhythm. Practice this pattern slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed until it feels natural and effortless. Now, let's explore the song's structure and how to add dynamic variation. Angels Among Us primarily follows a verse-chorus structure, with a bridge section for added interest. During the verses, try playing with a slightly softer touch to create a more intimate feel. When you reach the chorus, increase your strumming intensity to give it a fuller, more powerful sound. These dynamic shifts will make your performance much more engaging and expressive, truly bringing the song to life. Finally, here are some essential practice tips to help you master Angels Among Us. Always start by practicing each section slowly and accurately before trying to play the entire song at full speed. Using a metronome is highly recommended to develop precise timing and a consistent rhythm. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original recording. This will help you fine-tune your dynamics, timing, and overall feel, making your rendition sound polished and professional.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.